Legacy video looks terrible on modern screens. It's blurry. It's pixelated. It was shot for 720p, but your audience expects 4K. Traditional upscaling just stretches the pixels. It doesn't add detail. It just makes the blur bigger. Old upscaling algorithms guess. They interpolate. They create soft, muddy images that look artificial. You're blowing up the pixels without adding data. Vidai's AI Upscaler works differently. It doesn't guess. It predicts. It analyzes millions of frames, understands texture, restores detail, and erases noise. The result? Legacy footage that looks like it was shot yesterday in true 4K. That means your entire back catalog becomes valuable again. Faster licensing deals, higher ad revenue, and no more reshooting what you already own.